Here at Orozco's Auto Service, we pride ourselves with being the most trusted shop since 1990. If your auto, truck, or fleet vehicles need auto service, auto repairs, or auto maintenance, feel free to call us at 562-427-4256. Or go to our website, www.orozcosautoservice.com. We look forward to servicing, repairing, and maintaining your vehicles. Thank you for your trust.